Good afternoon to all my respected teachers, seniors, juniors, and my friends. Myself Ritu Mondal, and today I am going to describe about phytogeographical division of India. Phytogeography is the study of distribution of plant species and elucidation of origin of flora. Distribution of plant is mainly controlled by climatic factors. These are number 1, temperature, altitude, precipitation, atmospheric moisture, light intensity and duration. Number 2, types of soil. And number 3, biotic factor play an important role in distribution and establishment of species. Phytogeographical regions are also called as botanical regions. Dr. Chatterjee has divided India into 9 botanical zones. These are Western Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, Indus Plain, Gangetic Plain, Central India, Deccan, Western coast of Malabar, Assam, Andaman and Nicobar. Next, Western Himalayas, one of the most important botanical regions of India. This region comprises North and South Kashmir, part of Punjab. Average annual rainfall in this region is 100 to 200 centimeter. This region each is subdivided into 3 zones. These are submountain, temperate, and alpine zone. Next, some plants of Western Himalayas are Soria robusta, Fucus glomerata, Dalbergia, Siso. Next, Eastern Himalayas. This region extends in the Himalayas from East Nepal up to Arunachal Pradesh. Climate in this region is heavy monsoon and less snowfall and high humidity. Tree line and snow line are higher by about 300 meters than in Western Himalayas. These regions are also divided into 3 zones. These are submountain, temperate, and alpine zone. Next, some plants of eastern Himalayas are Anthocephalus kadamba, Eugenia sp. and Rhododendron sp. Next, Indus Plain. Indus Plain covers part of Punjab, Delhi, Rajasthan, a part of Gujarat. Annual rainfall is generally less than 70 centimeter. Climate in this region is very dry and hot summer. Vegetation mainly bushy and thorny. Some plants of in this region is Magnifera sp. Acacia arabica. Next, Gangetic Plain. Gangetic Plain richest vegetation in India, covers part of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and a part of Odisha. Average annual rainfall is 50 to 150 centimeter from east to west. Vegetation. Vegetation is mainly consist of tropical moist deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest, thorn forest, mangrove vegetation, and mangrove vegetation is common in tidal region in West Bengal. Next, some plants of Gangetic region: Rhizophora sp., Saraka indica, Xanthalum album. Next, Central India. Central India covers Madhya Pradesh and a part of Orissa, Gujarat. Average annual rainfall is 100 to 170 centimeter. Vegetation is consist of tropical moist deciduous forest, mixed deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, and chiefly sal forest. Sal and teak forest are very common in this region. Some plants of central India: Terminalia tomentosa, Dalbergia latifolia, Capparis sp. Next, Deccan. This region comprises southern peninsular India from southern Madhya Pradesh up to Kanyakumari. Rainfall in this region is 100 centimeter. This region divided into Deccan Plateau and Coromandel Coast. Next, Coromandel Coast consists of Halophytic sp. Teak forests are very common in this region. Vegetation is consist of tropical dry evergreen, dry deciduous forest and swamp forest. Next, western coast Malabar. This is a very small region, covers Gujarat to Kanyakumari along western Ghats. Climate in this region is humid with having annual rainfall over 400 centimeter. Vegetation is consist of tropical wet evergreen, moist evergreen, moist deciduous forest. Some plants of western coast Malabar are Tectona grandis, Barberis sp. Next, Assam. The region cover most of the Assam. Climate in this region is very high temperature and rainfall. Vegetation is mainly tropical evergreen and wet temperate forest. Next, some plants of Assam. Cycas pectina. This zone is rich in orchids and fern species. Next, Andaman and Nicobar. The region includes Andaman and Nicobar. Climate in this region is warm and humid with very high temperature and annual mangrove. Vegetation is mainly consists of littoral mangrove, semi-evergreen and evergreen and deciduous forest. The deciduous forests are almost absent in Nicobar Island. Some plants of this region is Endospermum chinense, Dipterocarpus altus. Thank you all of you.